Ffwtcamp, Cartrefi Cymuedol Gwynedd, new project for young people to have a positive impact on our estates and communities across Gwynedd.
In Carnarvon, Ffwtcamp. In Portmadog and in Bala.
So what is Ffwtcamp? It's a chance for young people aged between 10 and 13 in these areas to bring football off the streets and compete against each other. We'll find out who will be crowned the first Ffwtcamp champions in the grand final at CCG's Fun Day in Bala at the end of May. What we hope Ffwtcamp will achieve? Well, to begin with, to build neighbourhood pride. And it's a great opportunity to keep you fit and healthy, and it'll help reduce antisocial behaviour. If you want to be part of Ffwtcamp in your area, your community warden would like to hear from you. Weekly training sessions will be held for 5 weeks before the grand final in Bala on the 30th of May.
Ffwtcamp CCG!
For more details, please visit our website or follow us on Twitter and Facebook.